Moses Lake held its first meet in the new pool at the high school last night. The Chiefs kicked off the open in fine fashion with a Jimi Hendrix rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner. Moses Lake then followed that up with a sweep of the triple duel competition. The Chiefs finally got to break water in the new pool as they hosted a triple duel meet Thursday. Moses Lake had little trouble with the competition, swimming past Sunnyside, Eisenhower, and Davis. The Chiefs took the bite out of the Grizzlies 113-69, crushed the Cadets 131-51, and sank the Pirates 145-31. Moses Lake moves to 8-1 on the season with the wins. The team trails undefeated defending state champ Wenatchee by 1 win in the Big 9 League standings. Moses Lake is back in the water today for an 11-dive meet in Wenatchee. It's homecoming night in Ephrata as the Tigers host the Selah Vikings at Kiwanis Field. Reporter Sean Wells has a story.
The Ephrata Tigers stayed undefeated in CWAC conference play. A 26-20 win over Grandview keeps them tied for first in the CWAC with Prosser and Ellensburg and remain number 9 in the state in the most recent Seattle Times 2A rankings. Conference rivals Selah head to town tonight in a showdown of 2 top teams. Selah would love to spoil homecoming night for Ephrata and jump ahead of them in the CWAC standings. The Tigers look to improve to 5-1 in conference play tonight. For iFiber1 News, Sean Wells.
Alicia Overland scored 4 first-half goals, and the Chiefs blanked Eisenhower 7-0 last night. Overland put 3 balls in the back of the Cadet net within the first 9 minutes of play. Her twin sister Stephanie added 1 at the 15-minute mark. Jesse Loretto put 1 in 20 minutes into the contest, and Moses Lake led 6-0 at the break. True to his mantra, Coach Char pulled the majority of his starters in the second half to avoid running up the score. Michaela Loudon put the final goal in the Eisenhower box at the 58th minute. Keeper Jeanette Alvarado barely broke a sweat as the Cadets only got off 1 shot on frame in the match. The Ephrata Tigers turned back the Huskies 2-1 in double overtime in Othello last night. It was the 11th win in a row for the number 4 ranked Ephrata Tigers. The Huskies led 1-0 at the break. Hallie Berryman tied the match 1-1 in the 60th minute and sent it to overtime. Natalie Hussey's goal off a Berryman assist at the 87th minute sealed it for the Tigers. Ephrata keeper Adriana Simmons recorded 4 saves in the match. Quincy Volleyball was looking to put back-to-back wins together when Selah came to town last night, but the Vikings had another thing in mind and took the match in 3 sets behind strong play of Carista Goodpaster. The loss drops the Jacks to 2-2 in CWAC League play and 4-5 overall. Quincy is back on the court in Grandview Tuesday. Well, there are plenty of high school sporting events going on in the Basin this weekend, so if you have the opportunity, get out and root on your local teams. Coaches and players will appreciate your support. iFiber Communications will be broadcasting the Ephrata Selah football game tonight at 7. Sean Wells and Cody Johnson will be calling the live action. We'll be right back after this.